Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by putting the watch on correctly. Make it snug and sit upright. Once done, open the heart rate app and grant sensor permissions. This lets the watch access optical sensors and motion data. Make sure your arm is relaxed and still for 30 to 60 seconds so the device can establish a baseline reading. You do this first because movement, loose fit, and blocked sensors cause errors. Follow these steps to get the most reliable initial heart rate. Once you have a baseline, switch to continuous monitoring or start a workout mode if you plan activity. This changes sampling frequency and stores trends. Make sure the sensor area is dry and free from heavy sweat or sunscreen because optical readings need unobstructed light. While monitoring, check beats per minute and heart rate variability together. Trends reveal condition better than any single spike. If you move, pause briefly to allow readings to resettle, and use the watch's trend chart to interpret changes. To finish, sync your watch with the phone app so you capture all recorded sessions and long-term trends. Reviewing those shows fitness progress and recovery. If a reading looks wrong, clean the sensor and reseat the watch slightly higher or tighter, then retry. That fixes most errors. If issues persist, restart the watch and check for firmware updates. And remember, only seek repair after these steps because most inaccuracies stem from fit, moisture, or outdated software rather than hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.